This is a piano tutorial for the Frank Sinatra tune My Way, and I'm going to show it to you first as a soloist, and I'm going to shorten this up. It has a second verse. It also has a chorus with a second lyric to it. So I'm going to do the first verse and the last chorus. And the music is the same. The only difference would be the lyrics if you did the whole thing. So the way I'm going to do it shows you all the music you need to learn. So I'm going to show you the melody first. You start with your thumb on a G note. Thumb on that A. Excuse me, right there, you got to put your fourth finger on this F. So you can get up to this G note. Then you lift your wrist up and put your third finger on the F sharp. And your fifth finger on F. And then the chorus, you put your thumb on E. And your thumb on G. Thumb on B. So that's the fingering. Really not a lot of tricky stuff with that. The nice thing is this is in the key of C as well. So it's a good song for a beginner. Then the chords, you're going to start with a C chord. Now I realize that I am overlapping with my melody and my chord right there, but if you're playing this and you get off of the pickup note there, you can play that C chord on the downbeat. There's a C chord, C, E, G. The next chord is E minor, E, G, B. There's a G minor chord, D, G, B flat. There's an A7 chord, C sharp, E, G, A. There's a D minor chord, D, F, and A. There's a G7 chord, D, F, G, B. C, E, G. Third finger on this F sharp. There's a C7 chord, C, E, G, B flat. There's an F chord, C, F, and A. F minor, F, A flat, C, F, A flat, and C. C chord again, G7, D, F, G, B. There's an F chord, C, F, A, to a C chord. Now when I do the last verse, I'm going to do an F chord, but I'm going to do it this F over G chord. I'll show that to you in the next video, but it's an F chord there. minor, E, G, B, A minor, E, A, C, D minor, E, F, A, G7, D, F, G, B, F, A, C, and it ends on the C chord like that. So those are the chords. Work on it hands alone, and when you put it together, this is what it sounds like.